Okay, so coming through the front door.
Come on in.
Come on in. Uh-oh. To the left is, this will be the living room area. So.
I like the living room. The living room is.
It's nice and
big.
spacious, yeah. And then this would be the dining room area. Got this. We could put the table right there. Got the kitchen over here. Go on and lead us to the kitchen.
Welcome.
Got the cabinets and stove. Here. Get on my nerves and go on to open the patio. From here.
Come on, go outside.
Let's go outside. What's there to see it?
I didn't know they had another.
Oh, they have a baby gate.
Oh, that's the way.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we'll open this. Cabinets. We're gonna go check out the basement. It needs some work. This light does not work. Oh, that's okay. Okay. Check for there. So the washer and dryer are in here. Oh, look at how this light looks. The natural light looks in here. Okay, we can fix this up. Except for this though. Look, I don't know.
Now keep in mind, it's not gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
So.
You're right. I like that it has a built-in section there for like the laundry stuff. And then coming out here, this is the door to outside. Got the windows. Oh.
Welcome.
Get up. Come, we'll open the door to this room here.
See, this is the extra bedroom downstairs.
Okay.
This is the fourth bedroom.
It's really not that bad. We just need to get a light.
I mean, really, this could be like the guest bedroom.
Yeah.
There's an outside door right here.
Yeah, that's true.
And then if we can get it some sort of way to, I don't know how we put the door right here.
And then open that door so we can see how the door is. So the door's kind of coming out the hinge, but that's the crawl space.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Get it to it.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
Like it's broke.
Hold on, let me look at here.
The hinge is broke.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Going back upstairs from the basement. Next, we're gonna go up these 3 stairs. To the left is the bathroom. Some things we would definitely want to fix, or like have the floors like that. You can see the tile on the floor needs some work. And then this is the shower. The bath, actually, that's a nice sized bathtub now that I look at it. You know?
Mm.
Nice window. Shelf right there for storage for stuff in the bathroom. Was this open or closed?
I think it was open.
Okay. Okay. And across from the bathroom is room number 1. So just a nice room, nice bedroom here. Got a closet, some closet space. Across from that would be the master bedroom. And so what I like most of all is the closet here. Cool. Okay. Then you have you got a hallway closet, storage and stuff. And then across from that is another bedroom. see outside from there. Okay. So we are on our way to the home inspection. How do you feel?
Annoyed.
He's annoyed because he can't drive and he don't want to listen to me, basically. Anyway.
You need to quit before you start arguing, man.
Ain't nobody trying to argue with you. So we are on our way to the home inspection. This is going to be our second house that we're having inspected. The first house, so we've been trying to buy a house. So the first house we really liked. It was perfect. It even had a little door for the kitties to come in and out, okay? But that one fell through because there was someone that came and made a cash offer, so there goes that. The second house we really liked a lot, but I don't think those people were really ready to sell their house because they were just being really difficult. Like, first they listed the price as one thing, and then after that, when we made our offer, we asked them to redo the floors because the floors looked kind of crumbly. And they said no to that, raised the price $3,000. So we still really liked the house, so we were like, okay, we'll do that, we can do that. Well, then we go to inspect the house. They were supposed to have the basement finished because they were doing renovations. Like, it just, every time, like when we even went to see the house, they were still in it, which we knew it was still occupied, but for the inspection, they should have been out. So we had to wait for them to like get dressed and leave so that we could go to our inspection, or so that we could do the inspection. So we get halfway through and we're like, just stop the inspection. This is gonna be a definite no. So we kept looking, and this house we really like. I'll show you guys when we get there, but it has a home-like feel. It feels like it's gonna work for us and like our future plans. It's got a nice little backyard. We'll have lots of space for the kitties. So hopefully everything goes well, and we'll take you on the ride. So this is the home we're looking at. So if you come in, this is the living room. Right here. Oh wow, hey Mabel, wow, hey, wow. Oh my gosh, wow. And you've got like a dining room area here. And then in here you got the kitchen.
Look at it and see. I said, we did wrong.
It's a nice carport.
I said, so we don't.
Here's one room from the kitchen. I'm thinking I want this to be our room. When you go down the hallway and there are two more rooms, there's a bathroom in here. And maybe eventually over time I'll redo this. The tiles are okay, but hey. And then here's a room. And there's a bathroom in this room. And we're thinking maybe this could be a guest room since there's a bathroom in here. Just in case we have guests. It's got a shower. And then we've got this room here.
But this is a bigger size.
Yeah, I think this is bigger a little bit.
And it could be right here. I could just be watching.
Yeah, we could be looking out the window all day. Or we can make this an office space. We'll see. We'll figure it out.
Can you go outside?
Yeah, let's go outside. We're gonna go outside. Yeah. So this is the front yard. Lots of yard space, and we have carport area too. Go in here. The only thing I don't like is that the washer and dryer is outside in this room right here. Let me show you. But this kind of can be a plus because that way our kitties, we can like store things out here, and the cats can go out here too. The switch doesn't work, yeah. Probably just needs another bulb, but this could be like a storage space or like a home, really a home for the cats, you know? If we just take care of it. And then here's our backyard. So it's got a little landing spot if we want to have like a cookout grill. It's got a gate back there. So yesterday as of 5 p.m. we are officially homeowners for a week. How does it feel?
It feels good.
Feels good.
Hey everybody, I'm a homeowner. Is that my good side?
That's your good side.
Or what about this side?
Oh yeah, that's it. That's
What
the
looks
one.
like with the cabinets in the background?
That's the one. Ooh, ooh.
You see the granite tiles?
Oh.
The granite countertops?
I don't know what that is. Is that granite or marble? I don't.
It might be marble. It might be granite. I don't know. Where my third cookie at?
I don't know. So we are getting ready to.
You was like, you can have 3 and I can have 3.
I did not say that.
Tell me why I only got 2.
That's not what I meant.
It's hot.
Hey guys, it's Chris and Emmanuel, and today we're gonna try to start a garden. Come along.
Let's do it.